Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on how to upload images. There are two ways you can upload images. You can upload images to your private collection, and you can upload images to the team if you happen to be on a team. To upload images to your private collection, you're going to use the left side navigation to navigate towards private collection. You're going to click on images, and you're going to use the blue Add Images button in the top right-hand corner. Here you have three options to upload images. You can drag and drop images into the slightly blue tinted area. You can click on Upload Your Images and a File Select window will pop up. Or you can import images using a batch CSV file. To upload images to the team, you're going to navigate to the team button on the left side navigation, and then navigate to team images. Again, you're going to use the blue Add Team Images button in the top right-hand corner. Here, you have the same three options to upload images. You can drag and drop images into this slightly tinted blue area. You can upload images using a file select window, or you can import images using a batch CSV file. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to upload images.